Welcome to William E. Kratt Hall, or just Kratt Hall. What's super unique about this building is the athletics department is actually in the bottom floor of the building. Kratt is home to nearly 300 students with single, double, and triple occupancy rooms across all 3 floors. Let's go check it out. Now we're in Kratt Hall. Let's take a look at a triple room. We're going to go into 116. Let's see. Welcome into the triple. As you can see, we have 3 lofted twin XL beds. Underneath the beds, each student has a desk and a set of drawers for storage and a chair that goes into the desks. Over here, every student has a wardrobe that open for clothing storage in addition to some drawers for more storage. Welcome to the Kratt bathroom. As you can kind of see next to me, the laundry is also in the bathroom, so it makes it a one-stop shop. And the laundry is completely free to use, no coins or cards needed. Before you go, here's a couple quick things to know about all of Menlo College's residence halls. Each hall is supervised by a team of professional residential life staff and student RAs who are here to support you, whether it's about housing needs, your academics, personal growth, or just navigating campus life in general. RAs are also on call after hours for anything from helping with roommate conflicts to checking in on student well-being. And to keep everyone safe, RAs do routine health and safety checks throughout the year. Just to recap, every room comes with furniture including a twin XL bed, desk, chair, and dresser or wardrobe for each student. You'll need to bring your own bedding, and we recommend extras like a lamp, alarm clock, and trash can. You're also more than welcome and encouraged to decorate and bring things like a mini fridge, microwave, and TV. Just be sure to follow our approved appliance list for safety. Talking about roommates, room assignments for new students will go out prior to move-in, and you'll get all the details in your email or through your My Menlo account. Thank you so much for coming along this tour with me. Please like and comment below. And if you want to see any more videos about residence hall tours, campus tours, or just more about Menlo, be sure to subscribe and follow us. Bye!